What's going on, everyone? It's Kate. I am in the, well, really, I don't know where I am. I'm in the middle of the SAV and the ATL. How are y'all doing today? I'm on my way to pick up my little one, my son. Can't wait to see him. And so you guys know how I do sometimes do with my car time. Sometimes I talk to you about things that are on my mind. This is one of those times. So I wanted to talk to you right now about hidden money, okay? Hidden money. And this is so important because all too often I speak to people and they'll indicate to me that they want to purchase one of my either products or services, but that money is an issue. And so guys, money oftentimes is not an issue as much as it is your priorities being out of whack. So like I remember this one guy, he was trying to convince me that he didn't have $50 for one of my products, but he had literally, right before that, we had literally had a conversation about just life in general and what was going on good in his life. And he was like, well, I just got a new truck. This is my dream truck. And this is a guy who's like in his late 40s or something. Like, this is not a little kid. So he was telling me how he put rims on the truck and got all these things done to the truck. And then when we transitioned to the part about why he reached out to me, he was telling me about his failing health. And I, like I said, I told him about a product that cost $50, and he was like, well, I don't have that right now. And I was just like, what? You take better care of your truck than you do yourself? Like, that was just really, really weird to me. So, nonetheless, there are quite a few of you who claim that you really, really don't have the money. So I wanted to talk to you really quickly about hidden money that is all around you guys, okay? Please listen to me carefully, because once I really truly understood the hidden money that was all around me, things for me started to change drastically. And it is something that you have got to program yourself to do, because we're so used to wasting money or not looking for opportunities to make money. So here's one of the things that I will definitely say you guys should look for if you want to make more money, have more money. Look for subscriptions, okay? And I'll say this, it can go both ways. You want to look for subscriptions that can save you money. So like, say for example, if you get a huge discount on a product or a service because you get the annual subscription versus the monthly subscription, then definitely take advantage of that if you can. Sometimes you can save a whole lot of money by subscribing on a monthly basis or an annual basis. And especially if you have a credit card that offers wonderful rewards, why not do that? Why not do that? And especially if you have a business and that product or service is something that is related to your business that you can use as a tax write-off. I want you to understand that a regular schmegular expense for a regular schmegular person that they get no money back from can go to an expense that you now save on 3 ways, right? You can save on it with discounted pricing because you got it in a monthly or annual subscription. You can save on it with rewards if you pay that monthly or annual subscription with a credit card that has an awesome rewards program. You can also save on it with your taxes if at the end you write it off on your taxes because you have some type of business and you income shifted that from being a regular personal expense to now being a business expense. Those 3, taking one purchase and saving on it 3 ways adds up drastically. Okay, I know this is not sexy talk, y'all, okay, but this is real talk. Okay, so subscriptions. The other way I would say you can save on subscriptions is because subscriptions can be a double-edged sword. Okay, they can save you money or they can take your money. So like, for example, today there was an Amazon Prime, and do y'all know that Amazon takes a loss on most of their tangible goods and most of their physical items? They take a loss. So how are they making so many profits, Kim? They making profits because their money makers, in case you do not know, are their digital services. It's not their physical products. It's their intangibles. So Amazon has a lot of web-based services. Not just Amazon Prime. Y'all know about Amazon Prime because that's the most easily understood and most used. However, I had a children's subscription for my son called Amazon Free Time, right? And I was paying for that monthly. Amazon has a lot of business services too. Okay, look into it and then you'll find out. People that trade Amazon as a stock and analyze their news, they already know this stuff, but the common person does not. So Amazon, their children's subscription, that was something I got for my son months ago. And at first he was super gung-ho about it. He was using it like crazy. And I was like, oh, this is awesome. And then like everything else and everybody else, the excitement quickly waned, right? It quickly faded. So every month when that subscription came out, I was like, I got to cancel that. I got to cancel that. Oh, I got to cancel that. Well, I am so proud of myself because today I finally canceled that. So subscriptions can go both ways. You can save a lot of money by subscribing and getting a discount for paying in bulk, or you can waste a lot of money by forgetting to cancel subscriptions of things that you are not using. So I strongly encourage y'all to look at your bank statements, look at your credit card statements, and see where are there subscriptions for services that you've previously bought in the past that you now no longer need or have not fully taken advantage of. Oftentimes, especially the ones that are $10 and below, those will eat into your pockets like nobody's business, because the amount is so small that you don't ever remember it until that monthly charge comes out and you see it. So if you don't cancel it right then and there, chances are you won't until the next month and the next month and the next month. And I know I have friends, and we talk about this, that have literally had like an $8 subscription coming out of their account for years for something that they've never used. Okay, so subscriptions can go either way. The next thing, apps. Apps can save you so much money. There is hidden money in apps, guys. I try my best not to really buy anything unless I have downloaded the app for that store or that parent company. For example, y'all know I have a Smoothie King habit, right? And that is something that has gone from beyond the $5 Fridays, because it used to be something that my son and I would do with the fun $5 Fridays, right? It's gone beyond Fridays to every day of the week, pretty much, kind of, sort of. And so the thing I love about Smoothie King is you can buy their smoothies, put them in the freezer, and then when you thaw them out, they still taste the same as that. It's like the same. I love that, right? So here's the deal with Smoothie King, right? It started with just me and my son getting one smoothie on a Friday for $5 or $6. Well, then my mom was like, well, you up there at Smoothie King, get me one too. Then my granny was like, Kim, you know I love that pineapple surf. So it went from 2 smoothies on a Friday to a minimum of 4. That's like a $100 habit a month, y'all. Minimum $100 habit, right? So the way that I mitigate my smoothie, because y'all like $100 on smoothies, but guys, I'm to the point now where I rarely pay for smoothies because I know how to buy them. So when you download the Smoothie King app, of course there's points. After so many points, you get $2 off. When I buy on the Friday, I'm already saving, like I can get like an $8 or $7 smoothie for like $6. I don't know. It's something. It's a nice discount on the ones that we get, and then you can get the super big ones for the $5, depending on what category it falls in. Then I get rewards from my app. For the new year, they had something like buy a $25 gift card, get a free 20-ounce smoothie. So of course, I took advantage of that. And when, again, going back to the rewards points, when I bought the $25 gift card, where did I buy it on? I bought it on my Wells Fargo Hotels.com card, so that the next time I stay at a hotel, it's practically free, as y'all seen me do. So, you know, it's like you buy it on your rewards card, your credit card, you get rewards points back. You get a gift card that gives you a free smoothie, and you buy it on the app, which gives you points for it. Guys, honestly. And when you do these apps, right? Most people download apps, but they never use them. And I'll be honest, when I first did the Smoothie King one, I didn't even know how to cash in on my rewards. So by the time I found it in the dang on app, remember that whole slow down and speed up thing? Yeah, you got to do that. If you don't understand how to work the app, when you're in that store, just take time and ask one of the associates, hey, where do I get my rewards? Where do I redeem them? Because by the time I finally figured it out, guys, I had so many rewards on that. Man, I had like $60 in rewards, so I didn't pay for smoothies for a very long time. All this stuff is, again, free or doggone near free. So apps are huge for like hidden money, all right? Another thing, and this is going to be affiliate programs. Affiliate programs. It boggles my mind how many of us have products or services that we are using and we never stop and ask, like, the provider, do you have an affiliate link for me? Do you have a referral program? Do you know there have been times when I've done that and the person did not have one, but because I asked, they put one in place? Do you understand that? And it is huge. And especially if you guys are out here on social media and you're not shy, or none of y'all are really shy. That's just a lie that you tell yourself. But if y'all are out here cutting videos and you have a voice and people actually listen to you and they respect your opinion because you're not out here just talking trash or talking about nothing, man, you should definitely be taking advantage of affiliate programs. A lot of the Christmas gifts that I got from my family were through Amazon. And y'all know I'm an Amazon affiliate. That means when I tell y'all about stuff that I buy on Amazon that I like y'all tell people about stuff that y'all buy on Amazon and you get nothing for it. I tell people about stuff that I buy on Amazon and I get a kickback. Sorry, Jay, baby. I'll call you back. But I tell people about the stuff that I use on Amazon and I get a kickback for it because I'm an Amazon affiliate. So I strongly advise you, anything that you are using, ask the vendor or the provider, do you have a referral program? T-Mobile, your gas company, your cell phone company, your whatever company that you are using, ask people, do you have an affiliate link? If you have it, then get your own personal link and then go do a video and say, hey people, just in case you're wondering, I use this company because da 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 da. Here's what I like about them. If you want to use them too, my affiliate link is down below. And then you're just done with it. For my business, when I had a Square Store, Square, a lot of people are like, I don't want to use Square because they charge fees and I want all my money. Man, I literally ran thousands of dollars through Square and never paid a fee. Never paid a fee. You know why? Because I had a video on YouTube talking about Square, talking about the things I liked about it and the things that I did not like about it. Okay? And I put my link down below in the description box, and people to this day still sign up for Square using my referral link. That's literally all you have to do. And many of you know that your companies have a referral, but you never share, you never get your link, and you never find out how to use the referral program. So you know, when you think about it, every time your friend says, girl, I had to switch from Verizon to T-Mobile, and you're like, I have T-Mobile. Why you didn't tell me? What you mean, why she didn't tell you? Does she run it by you every time she changes her bill provider? No, of course not. You should really be putting that information out there so that people think of you. You got to be what? Top of mind. So that people think of you when they think of changing. Become the authority. Become the person who gives all of your friends, all of your family the tips and tricks and the deals and steals, so that when they go to do those things, they talk to you first before they do it. I have people that actually do that. They're not my customer, they're not on my team, they're just like Facebook friends or social media friends, and they've watched enough of my videos to know I know what the heck I'm talking about, and I'll tell you if I don't. And they trust me, so that if they're doing something that I haven't shot a video on, they'll still contact me, get in my inbox and be like, hey Kim, I'm thinking about doing XYZ thing, just curious, do you know of a good service provider that I could use to get this done? Do you have an affiliate link? And if I have one, guess what? I'll tell them, glad you asked. Actually, I do. Here it is. Da 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 da. Here's the video I did on it. And if I don't, then I'll say, nah, I haven't gotten into that yet. Or I don't have anybody that I trust to tell you about yet. And then they'll say, okay, and go on about their merry business. But I get a lot of money just from referring people because they value my opinion, because I've shared enough good stuff with them. Okay? I've shared enough good stuff with them in the past that they want my opinion going forward. That is a huge source of hidden money for me, and it could be for you too. All right. And then the last one, I've already touched on it, but rewards. Guys, credit is not bad. Use the banks. Don't let the banks use you. Go to your, and guess what? Even if you don't have credit cards, do you know, like, your bank, your actual bank, your debit card? Like, I bank with a few banks, and I'm actually getting more and more banks. Thank you, recession-proof family. We got to build relationships with multiple banks, y'all. Trust me, you will thank yourself later. But I have a few banks, and a lot of banks have reward programs too. So even if you're 100% against credit I wouldn't advise that. But even if you're 100% against credit cards, you have some embedded rewards programs in your bank, with your bank or with whoever you bank with, whether you know it or not, the credit union, whatever. So go to those cards, make a list. How much do you get percentage back on gas from this card? How much do you get percentage back on groceries, shopping and dining? You shouldn't just use whatever card you got, I got my tax refund, so I'll just use this card. No, be strategic in how you operate in life. If you get 3% back on cash with this card, but you get nothing back with that card, why would you use that card instead of the ones you get 3% back? Well, 3% is not a lot, Kim. Well, that's your problem. That's your problem. You're disrespectful of money. When you discount the amount that you can save or make, trust me, money has feelings. It has emotions. And when money feels that you like, it ain't worth it, money like, all right, then forget you too then. And it runs away from you. So when you start to understand money, when you start to operate strategically and be intentional in how you spend, where you spend, oh my gosh, all those little bits, they add up, my friend. They add up, my friend. And it's always the people who are the brokest that when you tell them money saving tips, they'll always act like, it ain't worth it. You be like, dang, are you broke or are you rich? Okay, make up your, are you, because you're too broke to buy what you want, but you're too rich to take this money saving tip. Make up your mind. I'm confused here. So anyway, guys, those are my tips for hidden money. I promise you, money is all around you. You have just got to slow down to speed up, sit your butt down, go through all your bills, go through all your service providers, start being more strategic in life, start being more intentional in how you operate, and spend and save money. Subscriptions, affiliate programs, referrals, rewards, all of these things. They make such a huge difference in your life. So tap in. Let me know, did this help you at all? Let me know. Are you currently taking advantage of rewards programs? Are you one of the people out here that's just like whooping the banks with your credit card rewards because you know how to use the banks instead of letting the banks use you? Will you look into this more? Will you look into referral links and affiliate programs more? Are you cutting videos? Are you telling people what you use, the good and the bad about it? Talk to your girl. Don't just come to my live and take from me. Reciprocate, okay? Dialogue with me. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Let me go back and call Jay, baby. And I will, that's it. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you think this video can help anyone, share it with them. Sharing is caring, okay? Build that relationship equity. Talk to y'all later.